Now coming back children with the fifth question, how is petrol formed? Now I told you how is coal formed. I hope I have made you understand. No one knew about how coal is formed, but now you all know how coal is formed. Koilata kirokum hoy. Now you know about it. Now you have to learn how petrol is formed. Now coal is formed with the decomposed leaves, and petrol is formed by the creatures. Did you all understand? Petrol is formed by the creatures. Did you all understand? By the creatures, sea creatures. Sea creatures means সমুদ্র ভিতরে যত মাছ, turtle, all the animals, the sea animals, the creatures. When they die, they get settled down. এখানে পাতা যখন পচে নিচে মাটি তোলা চলে যায়, when it goes down and decomposes, then the nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen, everything goes off and only carbon is left. It becomes solid and it becomes coal. Now here what happens, the sea creatures, that is the animals of the sea, when they die they get settled down and there they get decomposed. Understood? It's a very complex process. Now what is a complex process? Means a complicated process. Did you understand? Complex is a complicated one. Okay, so as these creatures, when they die, the body settle down and is covered with sand. Okay, down under the sea you have sand, isn't it? You have a land. On top of that only there is water. So these dead animals, when they are alive, they are swimming in the water. But when they die, what happens? They get settled under the water, and their bodies, they get decomposed there. And due to the absence of air, there is no air inside. Under the sand, there is no air, and there is high pressure. High pressure is there. High temperature is there. High temperature, onek gorom bhitore, it is very hot inside. And the temperature is very high and the pressure is also there. Due to that what happens, petrol is formed. Due to this high pressure, high temperature and the absence of air, what happens? The dead animals, pressure is formed and they convert into petroleum or natural gas, which you use it. Okay, that natural gas is formed. Didn't you understand? Now since they are lighter than the water is down, and on top of it the petrol is there. Did you understand? It gets floated on the water in a large scale. Now first oil was found in India, in Assam, and then Bombay, and then other Godavari and these rivers. You remove the oil from there. Now how you remove the oil, how you extract the oil, okay, that also you will learn. I have no time, I have to explain everything, so I'll be explaining in the next class how the oil. It is very interesting. How do you remove the oil from the sea? Now you must be thinking there is all around there is water. Now how can you remove from the water? When you are removing the oil, how the water will get mixed up and how it comes out. So you have to wait for it. If I have time in this lesson, I will explain it to you all. It's an extra knowledge I'll give you all. It's not in your book, but I'll give you all extra knowledge. I hope you all have understood. Now coal is formed due to the leaves decomposed due to the pressure and weight of the land. Did you understand? Due to the heat pressure downwards and topwards, there is a weight pressure. Due to this, they get decomposed, they get hard, and all the hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, everything is off from there. Only carbon is left and it becomes hard and it becomes a coal. Now petrol is formed due to the when the dead animals die, they get settled down on the sand. They go below the sand, they get covered by it. There is no air pressure inside, there is no air inside. Due to the high temperature, due to the high pressure, these dead animals, they convert into natural gas and petroleum. Did you all understand? Since it is lighter, it comes up the water. This is how petrol is formed. I'll be sending the videos which you can practically see it. Hope you all have understood. I have explained more than what is there in your book. Okay. Thank you. I'll come back with the next question.